Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about the Edge Media Control Center. So what this does is it allows you to control all of the media you are playing in various tabs from one location. Alright, so right now I have YouTube going here. I have some music going here. Another video here, but it's paused at the moment. And then another video here, which is paused. And then I have this page with a video that I haven't started yet. So once you start playing some type of media, you'll see this icon appear in your Edge toolbar. Then you can click on it and get a little drop down of all of your media. So I have the YouTube channel, the music that's playing, and the two other bike videos. And you can see here you can close them out, back, forward, pause, play, even picture in picture if it's supported. So for example, this one is, and so is this one. Then you could go back to the tab, close it out from here. You have your tools down here as well. Then you could drag it around the screen. Alright, so like I said, I have these four going. So I'm going to start this one now. Right, so now if we go back here, you can see we have it playing here as well. So it adds it to the list. Alright, so let's go back here. So this one is paused, so let's play it real quick here. And if we want to pause it, we could do that. Play, go back, go forward. Just like that. And you can see this one just changed the song, so it actually updated the pop-out right here. And you can pause it from here as well. Obviously, this is not going to have a pop-out for music like the videos do. So we start this one playing as well. If we go back here, now you can see it's playing. So it doesn't give you a preview in the drop-down, which would be nice if it did. It just kind of shows you a thumbnail. But you can, of course, do the pop-out if you want to see it down there as well. All right, let's pause this. And even if you pause it, you'll still have it in the list here. And let's say I go off this page to the home page. Now it's gone from the list. So you may or may not find this useful, but we figured we would show it to you guys in case it was something you'd want to use, in case you're playing a bunch of different media in your tabs in Edge and you wanted to have kind of like a centralized place to control it. All right, so once again, you will not see this icon unless you have some type of media playing, and then once you start playing some media, this will show up, and even if you open another instance of Edge, it still has it in there. So that's kind of interesting too. All right, so give that a shot and see if you like it. And if you don't have to use it. All right, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.